Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to blend images in Photopea. First, open web browser. Here, go to Photopea. Next, open the first link. Click on Open from Computer. Now select an image to upload here. Then go to the Image tab. Here select Canvas Size. There you can set the dimensions either to pixels, centimeters or percentage, etc. I'm selecting pixels. Now set width and height and confirm your selection. Again, tap on Photopea. Then select Open from Computer. Here, upload an image. From the Image tab, again go to Canvas Size. This time, select %. After setting width and height, click OK. As you see, relevant changes have been made. Here, you need to move this image to one side. Now, go to the File tab. Here, select Open and Place. So, select the second photo from the window that opens. Adjust this with the first one here. You can adjust the size and position of this image here. Again, go to the Files tab. Select Open and Place one more time. Like before, select any image from here. So, adjust this here as per needed. You can drag the photo to adjust its dimensions. In the end, you can tap on Auto Select option from the left side toolbar. And that's it. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.